everybody, and welcome back to Harold's Shed. You know what? I was out doing some errands today and I ran across something really cool. It's a vintage exercise bike. And I brought it home. I'm going to try to restore it, or it might not even need to be restored. It might just need cleaned up. So I'm going to go get it out of the van and show it to you, and we'll check it out and see if everything works on it. My vintage exercise bike. So let's go get it out of the van. Hey, so this is the vintage exercise bike I found. I don't know if it needs anything repaired on it or not. I see a couple of things going on here, but it might just need cleaned up with some sanding and stuff. We'll check it out. But I got to get it out of the van and get it to the backyard. Did I say this thing is heavy? It's heavy. Schwinn exercise. Yeah, baby. That's my trash find for today. That is so cool. A vintage exercise bike. The only thing I can really see wrong with this thing is there's a little rust on the handlebars, and there's a little rust down here on the crank. So that's the only thing I see wrong with it. I mean, it needs a little bit more cleaning, but man, this is nice. This is a good find. Brighten this up a little bit. Well, that was a workout. I hope you enjoyed that little short video. It's just something I found, gonna clean up a little bit. I don't know if it's worth restoring. I'm gonna have to research that, because that's a lot of work, taking that completely apart and restoring it. But hey, this is Harold with Harold's Shed. Thanks for viewing. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see what we come up with next at Harold's Shed. You guys have a fantastic day. This is Harold signing off. Ooh, that thing's got me winded.